queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are just going to do a normal cleaning routine video. I had some things that I needed to get done. The bag that I'm going through right now is a bag that was in my trunk from my kids. So I cleaned out my car recently and I just threw everything in this bag. So I'm just going through it and dividing everything up into what Summer had and Cameron and the stuff that I needed to put away. We're going to go ahead and do that first, and then we're going to jump in cleaning the rest of the house. It's going to be just like a normal, relaxing clean with me. We're not going to do anything too crazy today. I do have a video that's going to be coming up, my fall decorate and organize with me, and also I'm going to have something really exciting in that video, so you're going to definitely want to stay tuned for that, and keep an eye out for that.
'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. You're the best
Once I get everything vacuumed in here, I'm gonna vacuum my couches really quick. I do this very, very often because my dog gets up on our furniture. Years ago, I said that I don't want dogs in my bed or dogs on my furniture, but yet we get our golden doodle and he just takes over everything. So I just want to make sure that all the little crumbs and dirt and whatever he brings in from outside gets cleaned up. So that's what I was doing there.
best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing.
Now I'm going to head over to the kitchen. I'm going to get the kitchen table all cleared off. I had some trash that was on the table and the countertops. I have a few dishes that I need to get done and clean up the mess that my husband left whenever he made some drinks that I think he made some drinks the night before. So I'm going to go ahead and clean all that up and take the trash out.
Lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter.
My husband and I have been talking recently about redoing the kitchen table, and I think we have a plan of attack of what we're going to do. I do have warranty on this still, and I was thinking about just calling and getting a different top, but this is our third top, so I think it's just going to keep doing it. So if I would have known whenever I purchased this, I would have never bought it because it looks really pretty, but it just does not hold up. And so yeah, I don't think calling and getting a new top is going to benefit me in any way because it's just going to keep doing the same thing that it's been doing. So I'm going to go ahead and redo it myself. I just need to pick out the color, and I have to be careful when I'm sanding on it because I still like the texture. I don't want to take that texture away. But yeah, my husband's definitely going to have to help me with that kind of project. He's good at that stuff. So I think we have a plan of attack of what we're going to do. we just gotta have the time to get it done and do it. And I need to pick out the right color because I want to do a similar color to what I have on there now. So now I'm just putting away all the dishes. I have to start drying my dishes after I get them out of the dishwasher. I think my dishwasher is getting ready to go out because it's just not drying my dishes. I don't know what it is, and I don't want to put them away wet, so I have to sit there and make sure everything is dry before I put them away. We've had this whole set that you see, my stove, microwave, and refrigerator, for over 10 years now. So I'm thinking we're going to have to start getting new appliances. My refrigerator, the ice machine, just recently went out to where it's not making any ice anymore. So I just think it's a sign that everything's breaking, so I need to get new stuff. And it stinks because I'm not the person that could have mixed match stuff. So I need to replace it all whenever we go to replace it. I don't want to have a different dishwasher than my refrigerator, and it's all got to match. It all has to go together. It's just something that bothers me. So, and my husband's the same exact way. So whenever we replace it, we're going to have to replace everything. And my stove is completely fine. My microwave has some bugs in it. Like the top part is kind of broke off, so we had to refix that. So it is time. It's time for, I think, a new set of everything. I just have not even entertained what I want at this point. So I'm trying to hold out a little bit longer so we don't have to go. That's a big expense, whenever you go, and even when you go and replace one, it's still a big expense. So I don't think this is anything that's going to happen relatively soon, but I think it's going to be in the near future, whether we like it or not.
Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose.
Now I'm just gonna head over to my refrigerator. I'm gonna just clean this out from the week. If we ate out somewhere and brought leftovers home, or if I cooked and there's leftovers in there, we're not going to eat them anymore. So I took out all that. I took out all the old meat. If there was any leftover meat for sandwiches or things like that, or old cream cheese. We go through cream cheese like I don't know what in this house. I don't know what it is, but everybody likes cream cheese and everybody eats bagels. But every once in a while somebody will open up a new pack and then not realize that the other pack is open, so then we waste that. And we're really weird about eating the cream cheese because it says on the package, throw away within 7 days or eat within 7 days. We're really weird about that. So if it's definitely in that time frame, we'll eat it. If it's not, we throw it away. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean all that out so I can throw those dishes in the dishwasher and get the refrigerator ready for the week.
You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the
go ahead and mop the kitchen really good, and then after I mop the kitchen, I'm gonna head into the living room and do the same thing, get that done, and then continue on with the rest of the house.
Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us, it's all about us. It's all about us, it's all about us. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us.
Now I'm going to head into my bedroom. I'm going to get some, first I'm going to make my bed, and then after that I'm going to get some laundry done. I have a basket full of clothes that I need to fold and put away, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and go around and dust my fireplace off, clean the nightstands, and clean my lingerie chest that's over in the corner. And then I'm going to vacuum and mop.
So here we go again, it's no surprise, 'cause we know better than to roll the dice.
We just recently moved this fireplace into my bedroom, and I love it so much. I cannot wait until the wintertime to where we can actually plug it in and use it. I like to be warm. I'm always cold. I love to be warm. My husband's complete opposite than me. He's always hot and hates to be hot, so he likes to be on the colder side. But I'm excited about this. It matches the furniture pretty well. It goes way better than the black TV stand that I had in there, and I'm just liking the vibe a whole lot better than what we had before.
And I know just what to do. I'm a big keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, so come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. I'm a big keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, the morning light. Oh, I just wanna be your Superman. Come fly with me, just take my hand. And now that
So my husband has this thing to where he thinks that this is organization. Whenever he puts all of his stuff on the side of his nightstand, this absolutely drives me insane. I hate it. He thinks it's all organized. It is not. I'm always telling him all the time, if everything has a place and you put it there, then you're never going to look for anything. But he always looks for everything because he never has a set place for everything. So these things drive me crazy, and the day that I moved all this, I know for sure he is going to ask me for something because he's going to notice that it's clean and it's not there anymore, and then all of a sudden he's going to need it. It's the way it always goes. But anyway, I'm always on him about trying to organize things or put things away in a place where it's not out because it's not aesthetically pleasing, but he doesn't ever care about any of that kind of stuff. So it's definitely a debate that we always have. I told him that we were gonna switch sides of the bed, because if he was gonna be like that, then I would rather his stuff be over on my side of the bed, to where whenever you don't walk in the room, that's the first thing you see. So he was like shaking his head whenever I told him that's what we were gonna do, but he rolls with the punches and he's so easygoing about everything. And yeah, so let me know if your husbands or your significant others are like that, because that's one thing that always drives me crazy, but I don't think it's ever going to change because we've been together for so long, and it's just not going to change. Now I'm headed into our main bathroom. I don't have to do too much in here. I'm just gonna wipe down the countertop, wipe down the toilet, and wipe down the edge of the tub, and then empty my trash and vacuum and mop. So it was really quick. I never really have to do too much in here. I try to clean my shower as often as I can. In this video, I did not need to clean it just yet. That'd probably be in a future video, to where I go and I actually deep clean my tile, the grout, and all that kind of stuff that needs to be done still. It's on my list. I want to redo the grout in there, and we need to seal it. So that's going to be coming ahead, but that's a huge job. So I want to make sure that I have the time set aside to do that. I'm going to go ahead and finish this video up today doing a real quick vacuum and mopping my bedroom and bathroom. Also, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos, liking, leaving comments, subscribing. It really means the world to me. This has been so fun, and I am so excited with the growth of my channel. I'm excited where it's going to take me in the future, what I'm going to create. I have so much fun doing this, and I love doing it. It's so fun. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you turn the little bell notification on so you get notified every time that I upload. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Daddies, no cares. You wanna come with me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away, yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away, yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away, yeah, we're going away. You and me, feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.